come out of recess.
What do you got leaking in your pocket?
Oh, jeez. Something. That's the color the shirt used to be. They faded.
That blue pen, evidently.
Use a blue pen and a highlighter. Huh.
Got a farm shirt. That happened before you got over to Sac County, so that's
all. It's all dry, so it's on.
Yeah.
Good one, Pete.
Thank you, sir. County crews blading gravel roads, graveling in Eaton Township, working on drainage problem at a box culvert between 817 Delaware Township, spraying trees and gravel roads in Sac and Eureka, filling in ruts on D15 and M50 around Nemaha. Mike met with a landowner on a drainage concern in Sac Township on Xavier Avenue north of 350th Street, on paved and gravel road shoulders. Any other issues, concerns?
No contact.
Project status, walling bridges, contractor, I think it's got everything done except now except for seeding. PC overlay project, contractor paved just on N20 just south of D59. Possibly we'll get to that D59 intersection later today.
Is that concrete coming from Hallett's? Where's the concrete?
Yeah, they got a plant set up at Hallett's, in Hallett's Pit. They set a concrete plant up there just off of that gravel road.
How's the road look? I haven't been down there yet.
The paving?
Yeah.
I have not driven on it. I've just looked at it, I guess, when I'm behind the paver, but they're doing some profilometers and they've got a few sections, they got a few, but there's no bumps bad enough to grind showing up yet, so I think they're doing a pretty good job.
When they get to, I'm talking about bumps, when they get to that, I'm trying to think that box culvert we put in that's got the big bumps.
Yeah, we gotta make sure we take a good look at that and keep that. There'll probably be some extra thick spots in there. And
That's the only.
yeah, we're not gonna follow what's there.
Yeah.
We gotta check to make sure we get the string set up and make sure they get a smooth curve, but that'd be good. PC patching, really nothing new there, still plans to start mid-September, the last we heard, so. Got a call this morning from Crawford County. They're meeting with the railroad to discuss a day labor grading project on a dirt road on the south side of section 31 Levy Township, southwest of Herring. You go down the Herring Road, then go about a mile and a half west.
Yeah, what are they doing? We had somebody contact me yesterday. They wanted to know if I was going to be down there at that meeting. And I said I didn't know anything about it.
Yeah, I just got a call this morning from Brad Osman. Excuse me, Paul Osman. Apparently, and I'm not sure I've ever been on that road, but apparently I think there's a fairly good cut through the hill down there, but the water runs down. There's no ditches, and the water runs down the road and onto the track. So it creates some problems at the railroad track, and so they want to do some grading in that area and try to cut some ditches back in there. That's, I guess, as much as I know at this point in time. Typically on those county line projects, and I need to see if we've got a county line agreement with Crawford, but normal maintenance is just taken care of by the county that's responsible for the maintenance, and typically they've got something in the agreement that once it gets over $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000, then the cost share between the two counties. When it gets to be more than
So will we go down and participate in the construction or what?
Mike, I think Mike and I both probably going to meet with him in the morning, and don't know if they'd be interested in and us providing part of the equipment to do the work, it's a possibility.
What time is that meeting?
9 o'clock in the meeting.
You gotta meet down
At the job, or at the railroad track there, it sounds like we're gonna meet, so. Sounds like there might be a couple landowners there,
Yeah.
two.
Sounds like quite a bit of soil's running down the hill and getting on the tracks.
Yep.
So I don't know if the railroad,
Yeah, I don't know,
they got any concern.
I'm sure the railroad's got some concern. We would like to see something done there too. Paul said that's a, you know, they don't plan to upgrade the road, it would still be a dirt road. But he says that if that road wasn't open to get around, it's quite a bit out of distance travel, both in Crawford and Sac to get
Yeah.
from one side to the other, so. Anyway, I'll know more tomorrow after I meet with him on what exactly they're planning on doing. I don't know who from the railroad was supposed to be there, probably just the local track master, I suppose. But they'll have to have, if they're working next to the railroad like that, they'll have to have obviously have a flagger there and et cetera, so.
Any other road concerns or business, engineer? Do you have anything else, Ron?
No, that's all I have.
Thank you very much.
Maybe just an FYI, and I don't know if they're gonna do it in every regional, but apparently, when they talked about it at ISAC at Storm Lake about the Service Bureau and Mike Wolfine, he that will talk about trying to do some meetings and talk about what might be in the future as far as ag industries and et cetera that put a load or need services on our road, and then how we're going to try to service, you know, those needs. And so they got a meeting scheduled. I guess they had one in Decorah a couple of weeks ago, and they've got one scheduled tomorrow in Fort Dodge for Region 5. I don't know if they plan on holding them throughout the rest of the.
Who's putting them on?
Well, ISAC is involved, because the initial information I got didn't hardly have anything about it. Came through the supervisors. They're having this meeting about roads, but they didn't really, wasn't really an agenda, really didn't tell you what they're talking about. And then I got an email from Steve DeFries late Friday that said that, told me the background of sort of where it came from. And Mike Zine was supposed to be there, sort of spearheading it, but he's got some health problems and he's not going to be able to make it tomorrow. So Bill Peterson's going to be there, and Nate.
Well, that's one of the legislative.
Yeah, those two people, and then Steve DeFries is going to be there too. So, like I said, I don't know if they're planning on holding them in every region or just certain ones.
Okay. Thanks, Ron.
Thank you.